Hi guys, today, ito yung yung tower. Ayun o. Pinakta. You want to see it guys? I think this. By the way, anahin niyo ako, ito yung pangalan. Hindi nyo makita. Lucky 76. So this is me, my avatar. Okay. So this is my face. So let's finish. Let's go. So this is the line of the flower because I'm not kung dito, dito ka na lang dadaan. Follow mo lang. At saka bago din kayo dito sa garden. Kasi is my garden. Very lang. Super cute. And this is a kilbit. So, this is the place. I will read it for you guys. Get to the end to get a special prize. Easy to hard. Impossible sana kahit hindi na hard. Hindi hard. Kasi di ba impossible? Medyo hard. Bro, I'm struggling kanina. So, mag-Filipino ko, diba? Hindi na maintindihan. So, English na lang. One is a big jump. This is the balls. The big balls. Na finish. Ito yung kilbit kasi inaano ko lang kung yung damage. Tsaka laro ito guys, turn me. At tsaka friend nyo ako. Or just search build a tower. Para makalaro kayo ng dark. So I like pink and purple, but the ones I like most is the purple. My gosh, it's very couple times. So it's taking it the first. This is all done. Guys, I'm almost in high school. Joke. So, yung naging hindi ko already be careful because it is pretty hard. Lagi ka lang pindig mo. No one always falling. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Super lagging. Okay, jump here, jump back there. Eh, saan ba? Hindi pala ako dito. Hindi pala ako dun. Dito na ako sana. Ay, hindi. Balik tayo. Make ko naman to I build this like 2 days or like 3 days or kanina lang kasi build ko to ikaw. So medyo tao lang kaso dalawa lang yung likes ko. Please guys, like. Can I have any more likes? Because I want some likes. I wish I have so many views. Like 1,000. Tsaka, add me kung gusto niyo ilaro to. Or add me kung gusto niyo. Or, hindi na lang ako add. Search nyo na lang. Kasi okay lang. Hindi naman ako may add friendly. Oh my gosh, I want this one. So this is all their gawa. Build. So, ulit na naman. Oh, kasi sinigil lang. I always fall. Dito lang ako, kakastart ko lang dito. Sabi bigla, tapos ano dito na nakatapos. Like, dito mga ano, yung parang pip, pop, pip, pop, pip, pop, pip, pip, like, I need that voice. I'm a dog lover. Okay. Kailangan ko ng phone para hindi ka mahulog-hulog, hindi ka mamatay-matay. Ayun. Kasi wala lang pera. Ay, wala ka. Nasa ano yun? Ay, hindi. It's on the... It's invisible. Is on the craft. Okay, this is the end, guys. This is your prize. Kasi may ang ganda. Wait lang, meron pa. Kasi, pwede tanong dito. Dito yung guys, dito. Kung may napagka-atik mo, saka natin sa paglaan mo ito, tumaas ka na kasi mo ito. Saka, okay, I'm scared. Because school is starting in November. So I cannot make videos. This is only the last video. So I'm not making any more video like emoji cut. Sorry guys. But it's okay. I'll be back. Christmas video, I'll be back. Okay, let's read this. Congrats, finishing, but this one is still good. This is the black and white. This is not white. This is and black. This go place in the under. Ayaw ka lang ako sa pagod na ako. Invisible walls. So yeah. Adapt. Okay, that's the end room. Hindi mo ito itas. Okay, the studio is black. Anong gusto nila dito? Ito. Hindi ako kaya kasi. Easy lang eh. The water. anyone see me, if anyone is on this server, please make a video and I will watch it. So I will know who is playing on this video. Like game. So yeah. I have many friends, not many, but friends. Okay, I use this tower. Oh my god! Kailangan sa akin to, okay? Last na po pa.
Naman ang lahat ng cast at crew ang warmth ng kanyang pagpapatawa. Kasama na ang kanyang mga eksena ang mag-asawang Dennis Quillo at Jeneline Mercado. Mamaya mapapanood ang at balibagan